Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It is good to be with you today again. All right, today in this video I'm going to be talking about the new spin feature on the CEH.io Telegram bot. So very quickly I'll just go to the CES.io bot. So if this is your first time on my channel, kindly click on the share button on this video, as well as the subscription button, and also that notification bell. With this, you will not miss any of my contents as soon as they are released. So I'll just start this app here by clicking on the start app here. I'll click on it. With this new spin feature, you would be able to scale up your ch.io earnings very fast. So this is the spin feature here. You can see just by the left hand corner of the of your dashboard here. So you can see it, this thing spinning here. This is the feature. Now for you to be able to start this, you need to have come to this task section here and perform every of the daily tasks. Now let me just quickly go over to this pin here and see. Now you can see when I enter this pin here, it says complete your daily tasks to start the game. So for this game to start, you need to have complete your daily task. So I'll just go back. Now this is the task section here. I'll just click on it. Now these are my daily tasks here. These are the tasks. Now these are my tasks. You can see them. Now I'll just start from this bottom here. I'll just come here. I'll just go and check and claim. Now I'm checking and claiming because I already opened all this link before. So I'm just claiming them. So for you, you will have to start, and wait for some time before you claim. I'm checking to claim. I'll do the same thing to all the tasks. So I've watched these videos before, so I just come back to claim them now. So I must complete all of this before I'm able to use the spin feature. Now I've completed these ones at the down, so I'll just go to the top here. This one's okay. I'll click on the first one here. Okay, this is a new one.
All right, buckle up because we're about to dive into something big. I mean, really big. It's time to talk about economic integration and responsibility.
Because I don't want this video to be too lengthy, I'll go back and come back again to check. Let me just click on check. You see, it says this task condition are still not met. So I'll just have to wait for some time. So I'll close this. Now check the second one here. This one too has just been added. So I'll click on start. This is about continue, claim. So I already done this. I'll just go back, check. The task is completed. You cannot claim your reward now. Claim. Now I'll go to the next one, which is this. You can see on top here it says daily task. You can see it daily task. So I'll click on this, start quiz. So I just need to answer all of these questions. Now you can find the answers to this in the video. So I'll just try to answer all of these. The first one says, what is the main goal of day trading? Number one, holding asset for years to maximize profit, trading only during weekends, taking advantage of small price movement within the day. I'll just pick this. What kind of tools does CES.io provide for margin trading? User-friendly tools for marginal risk and provide traders a free demo account with some real fun, automated trading system with no user input. User-friendly, I will just pick these tools for managing risk and providing trades. Then number 3, what does margin trading allow you to do? Eliminate all risk in trading, trade without using your own money, borrow funds to increase your trading power, margin trading. So I will just take a borrow fund to increase your trading power. Then I'll click on check. I hope I get this. All right, I got you. See task completed. You cannot claim your reward. Claim. All right. The next one is this. I'll click on it, check. Okay, that's clean. Now I believe I've completed all my daily tasks. Now this one is just a special offer that was added later. So I'll just go back to work here, which is the home. I'll click on it, then go back to spin to see if I can now spin. I'll click on spin here. Okay, now you can see it opens. So what you need to do is to just click on these free spins. It says 8 free spins available. So I'll just click on this claim, and you can see here that I have about 8 spins here. You can see it 8. It was 0 before. So here you can see new spins in, that is every 4 hours I get another 8 spins. So I'll just click on these spins. Now before I click on this spin, let's go back and confirm something. Now you can see here I have 2.4 million. Okay, take note of this, my gold coin balance, which is 2.4 million, while my my crypto balance here is 1042. Now take note of this also, 1042 for crypto balance. Now 1042 for crypto balance, while 2.4 million for gold coin. Now let's go back to spin here. Okay, now I'm going to click on this spin. Oh, you say don't give up, try again. Okay, done. Now spin again. Now game coin, you can see I got plus 121,000. Don't forget we have about 2.4 million. Okay, I'll just click on done, spin again. Game coin 80,000. That's about 200,000 now added. Game coin again 56,000. Now let's go back and see if it increased. Now it is now 2.6 million. You can see it has been added 2.6 million. But I'll go back again to spin here. Spin. Game. Now this is, you can see it says I want what crypto. This 4.4 will be added to my crypto balance. Remember we have about 1042 or so. Now done. Let's go back and see. Now you can see it is now 1047. So it was added to this. All right, just go back to spin. Try again. Spin. Free spin. One free spin. Okay, done. Spin again. Game crypto. Now you can see another crypto 5.6. Done. Let's go and see. The other time we had about 1047. Now let's go back. Now you can see it is now 1052 added. I'll go back to spin. I have one spin left, one free spin, so I'll just click on spin. Game coin 362,000 coin. Now I'll just click on done. Now here you can see I have no more spin here, 0. Why the next set of spins will be in about 3 hours 56 minutes. So now you can see here it says get more spins. So let's click get more spins, and you can see buy 10 spins for 250 stars. So I don't think I want to buy these 250 stars. For me, I think it is a little bit on the high side, so I'm not going to do that. Now you can see special tags, watch and like what is Bitcoin video. Every video you watch and like here, you're going to get one free spin. So I'm just going to click on this. Now check. I already watched this video before, so that's why it is asking me to check. So I'll just click on check. You can see task completed. You cannot claim your reward. See, plus one free spin. I'll just claim. Now you see task is successfully completed. Now immediately I finished this video, I claimed the spin, another video appeared automatically. Now I say watch and like. This is another video. I'll just click on start.
Welcome to the fascinating world of crypto cult collectibles cards.
So I'll just go over and like this video, like here. All right, I just like this video. So I'll just go back because I don't want this video to be too lengthy. I'll just click on back. Now you can see here it says check. So I'll click on check and you will see the task conditions are still not met. So I'll just close this and later come back to to click on to claim this. I'll just give it some time. So I'll just click on close. Then go back. Don't forget I have one spin from that video. So I'll just click on spin here. Now this one free spin done. I'll click on spin again. Game coin 54,000. All right, done. So this is how to quickly increase your CS.io earnings with the new spin feature. All right, guys. Thank you very much. I hope this video help you. So I'll see you guys in another video. Have a nice day.